Hey, what's up guys, it's Mitch, and today I'm going to be bringing you a real life video of my car, and I don't know, I just thought it'd be kind of cool to show you guys what I drive around in and the shit that I got in it and what it sounds like. So yeah, I'll play a couple of songs and yeah, hope you guys enjoy it. It's going to be pretty fucking loud, but you might want to turn your headphones down if you got them in at the moment. Oh, by the way, it's a manual, so I'm not gay. So here's the start of this. I might just fast forward a bit actually. I'll pop the boot as well and show you a couple of bass drops and shit. Alright, so there's the bass drop on that song, and I fucking love that, and I actually lost it when I had to re-download all this shit on my computer, and I just like remembered about it. I was like, fuck yeah. I'll show you a kind of like different kind of bass to what that is. I'll just find a song, hold on. I can never find it now. You see like on my iPod, oh that's probably really bright, I've got all these fucking like Chinese writing things. It's hell stupid, but I should be able to find it any second now. Come on, cat. There it is.
I don't see how you can hate from outside of the club. You can't even get in. Leg out.
Ladies love me, I'm on my cool J. If you get what I get, what you say.
Alright, so that's the sound system, and now I'll show you what the exhaust kind of sounds like. So I'll just leave the phone down here. Yeah, so that's my baby. Better get out of here now before cunts start being like, what the fuck's going on? But yeah, this is kind of like secluded part of the area. Just like where new shit's getting built and all that. So hope you guys enjoyed that for a bit of a different video. Sorry about it being nighttime and all that, but yeah, I'll try and get another video out tonight as well. And there's no one coming after me, so that's good. I'm going to bail home and I'll upload this, and hopefully you like it. Yeah, so sick catches.